How long do I have to bring an injury lawsuit in California? I'm Brian Findlay. I work with Findlay Law. We do personal injury and medical malpractice in San Diego and throughout California. So the answer to this question is a little bit complex. The general answer for, say, a car accident or a trip and fall case is usually 2 years. You have 2 years to not just hire a lawyer and not just make a claim to an insurance company, but to have tried to negotiate that claim, and if it fails, you have that 2-year point from the 2-year anniversary of your injury to file a lawsuit in San Diego Superior Court. We do personal injury and medical malpractice. So for medical malpractice, you need to understand that for adults, the timeline is different for children under the age of 8, but for adults, you generally have 1 year. So don't let that 1 year tick by without consulting with a lawyer and trying to figure out if you have a medical malpractice claim and if that needs to be negotiated or you need to file a lawsuit against the medical provider who injured you. For both of those kind of claims, for personal injury and medical malpractice, you need to be aware that the government plays by different rules. And so the state government here in California, oftentimes, if they're involved, say a state or county-run hospital, injury by some other government entity for the state of California, you probably only have 6 months to file what's called to meet the claim statute, to file a claim form. And you need to do that with the help of a lawyer because there are so many pitfalls that you can fall into by putting the wrong information on that claim form. If you miss that 6 months, you may have another 6 months to correct it, or you may not. It's very difficult. Finding out even whether whoever injured you is a government employee, government hospital, something like that, can be a difficult matter. It's something that's very good to consult with a lawyer on upfront near where the injury happens. Second government situation is the federal government. They have a 2-year claim deadline for the federal government. You have to exhaust that, what's called an administrative remedy, before you're allowed to file a lawsuit, or your lawsuit's going to be kicked out of court and you may miss that statute of limitations so that you're not allowed to bring a claim against the federal employee or the federal government. So those are the time limits to keep in mind with personal injury and medical malpractice in California. If you need some help trying to determine what kind of claim you might have, please give us a call.